I wanted to talk a little bit about my personal experience with the Listen Up Irish course on Mac Tíre Deireanach. Um, I loved this course. I loved this course. I've been studying Irish for 3 years now, and I've tried all kinds of platforms and TikTok and YouTube and individual Zoom courses. And I have to say, I was really amazed at how much I learned in the short 3 weeks. Um, the book was really interesting, and for me personally, it was the perfect level because it wasn't overwhelming. I could read it without looking up every other word, but yet there was enough new vocabulary and new expressions that I was really learning a lot. Um, there's a lot of repetition of vocabulary in the book, which personally I need that, and it really helped me a lot. And I have to say that I could have read this book on my own and I would have learned a lot from this book. But the support that we all received from Patricia and Joe was invaluable. I loved having the summary video because it gave me context. I love the Storfocal because Patricia not only pronounced the words, but she gave other examples other than the ones in the chapter of how you could apply that word. And she also gave attention to the pronunciation in different dialects, which I really, really like that. Um, Joe was a great reader. He's great to listen to. I got better as I went along because I'm used to Munster. So sometimes he would say something and I'd think, well, what did he just say? And I'd look it up and I'd say, oh, I know that word. But I got much better at it so that I was just using it the last few chapters as an audiobook. I have to say, I'm doing it all over again. I'm on chapter 8 today, and I'm just doing a chapter a day, and I really love it. But I can't say enough about the course, enough of how my confidence and I think my fluency exponentially improved over this course, and it was just fun. I would sneak ahead and read the next chapter because I was just having so much fun. So I really recommend it, and I can't wait for the next course to come up. Slán.